Hello kids, welcome back to a new video. Welcome my three little shark toys. The yellow shark, the blue shark, and the pink one as well. Wow, they look so cute. Today I'm going to show you how to draw cooking an egg on a fry pan. Let's start drawing. Now I am drawing a little stove in the middle. Do you see? The stove has a square shape. Now let's draw a spatula on the top. This spatula looks awesome. Now let's draw an egg beside it. There is a small circle in the middle of the egg. Now it looks like a fried egg. The egg should be cooked inside a pan. Yes, let's draw a pan right now. This fry pan has a little hand as well. And just under the pan I am drawing a fire. And last, I am drawing the front of the stove. Wow, do you see? The drawing looks great. Let's start coloring it now. It's yellow. Let's color the egg and the fire as well. Every egg has egg yolk and egg white. And next color is red. Let's use red color to color the hand of the pan and the spatula. Blue. Beautiful. Cool. It's green. I'm going to use light green color now. This is orange. I'm going to use orange color to color the front of the stove. And now it's pink color. I'm going to use this color to color the outside of the pan.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yay!
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
And for the inside of the pan, let's use light brown color.
Hickory
Beautiful!
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Cool! What color I'm going to use next?
Hickory dickory
Yes,
dock.
it's blue color. Let's use this color to color the top of the stove.
She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
And last color is green. Let's use dark green color to color the front of the stove. Wow, our drawing looks so colorful. Which color did you like the most? I think I like all of them. All colors look amazing. Our drawing is done. Did you like it? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.